uh, we will discuss. Okay. So shall we start the class?
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
We can.
Yes, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I did the homework, but the answer is a bit too long.
Answer is too long.
Yes, ma'am.
No problem.
Next
Answer is
it.
there now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
That's there.
Okay. So shall we do?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Ready.
this was the homework.
Ma'am, can I read because mine is short.
1 second. 1 second.
Excuse me, ma'am. Good afternoon,
Yes, yes. 1 second, child.
ma'am. I did the homework.
1 second.
Ma'am,
1 second.
Brightlin did the homework.
Ma'am, I am also.
Who is this? This is Simon. Brightly. Another person. See,
No, ma'am.
don't force me to call your name always, okay? Either Ayman or Brightlin or Angelina. Always have doubts.
Sri Shankar was the one who said
Sri
that.
Shankar.
Yes,
Sri
ma'am.
Shankar.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So now listen to me. Listen to me. This will you turn on your videos, children? I want to see all of you. I don't remember your faces.
Ma'am, can you see my?
Ma'am, did you started anything?
Nothing. I'm going to start only, okay? A book exhibition was held for 4 days in a school. That was our homework. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am. 1.2.
Ma'am, yes. Add it.
Yes, ma'am.
1 second.
First question was that.
First question was that. There was a book exhibition. You remember our school also had
Yes,
a book
Yes,
exhibition.
ma'am.
We had.
Buy the book and read it.
Okay, okay. We used to buy the books. We used to roam around the school after going from the canteen.
Yes,
After coming from the canteen, we are all roaming around the books, right?
yes, ma'am.
After in the break we will run away.
Okay, okay. So a book exhibition was held for 4 days in a school. The number of tickets sold at the counter on the first, second, third, and the final day was respectively. So there were 4 days. First day, second day, third day, and
fourth day,
fourth
final
day.
day.
4 days of book
Final day.
exhibition. Our school, how many days? You remember?
1 week.
No, ma'am.
1 or 2 days or 3 days, isn't it? 3 days.
Oh, no, ma'am. Not remembering.
Okay, okay. You don't remember now? Okay, then. So here, first day, it is 1094,094. Second day, it is 1,812. Then 2,050. And last day, it is 2,751. You add all
You have to add all that.
Yes,
these
all.
holidays. So 7,
Yes, ma'am.
2,
Ma'am, 707.
yes, yes.
704.
107.
7,707 books started. Is it correct?
Correct, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The correct answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
So shall we move to the next one?
Ma'am,
Second question.
ma'am, aren't you discussing the steps, ma'am?
No, why should we write the steps? Total number of books enough. Clear? Reduce the steps. No, and I don't want you to write all unnecessary steps.
So remember to
Enough. Steps are there, no? Enough. Now, second question.
Ma'am, can you write the answer of that first question?
7,707.
Can you write the
7.
answer? Okay.
Ma'am, second one, can I tell?
No, I will read. Shekhar is a famous cricket player. He has so far scored 6,980. You used to see cricket?
I used to
ma'am.
see.
Who is your favorite
Today India versus New Zealand match.
India.
Kohli.
Ma'am,
Is it Kohli? Who
Kapil
is your
Dev.
favorite cricket player?
Kapil Dev.
Kapil Dev. You like all the cricket players.
And Sachin.
Sachin. Even I am also a fan of Sachin. Okay. Now, Shekhar is a famous cricket player. He has so far scored 6,980 runs in a test match. In test matches, he wishes to complete 10,000 runs. So they want to go to 10,000 club.
Yes.
All the cricketers are like that. They want to go to
10,000 from.
So they want to go
minus
to 10,000 club.
6,900.
Okay.
50,000.
So 10,000 is their aim.
Yes, minus
Aim
8.
is 10,000.
Same. But so
2020.
far
6,980.
6,980. So how much runs more needed?
3020.
Ma'am, 3020.
I got the answer.
Subtract, subtract. How much you got?
3,020.
3020.
Correct. 3,020. Is it
Yes,
correct?
ma'am.
3,020.
Yes, ma'am.
3,020
I got
runs.
correct.
3020 more runs you need.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
I checked it by
Done
addition.
homework. I trust you all might have done the homework. Then children, one second. Let me tell you one important thing. See, tomorrow I'll check your notes. Don't send it in the WhatsApp. My mobile will be hang. I'll check your notes. I'll see all the pages of your notes. Till now, your notes should be completed because tomorrow I'm starting a new thing, estimation, and all those important things I'm starting tomorrow. So
Rounding off.
till now, your notes should be up to date. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. That will be there.
Ma'am,
Okay.
we should show
So-
in the camera. Show in the camera.
Turn the camera means I'll keep. Okay, I'll make it a speaker view and so that I can see your notes properly. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, children. Now listen to me. Keep your pen there. No need of unmuting. Keep the pen there. I'm going to read the third question. Read. I'm going to read. Okay, listen. In an election, the successful candidate registered 5,77,500 votes and his nearest rival secured 3,48,700 votes. Okay, so just now our one election has gone finished, and you remember our candidate, the candidate who won, or one candidate who got the more votes is 5,77,500 votes, and his next rival, next person secured 3,48,700
700.
votes. And the question is, by what margin did the successful candidate win the election? That is our question.
Ma'am, by
Did you
margin
understand the
means
question?
margin
What
means
should we do? Subtract, add.
yes, ma'am. Subtract and
Subtraction.
got and adding.
Subtraction. So shall I give this as a homework?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
That is a homework. Note down. That is a homework.
Ma'am, is your writing notes?
Homework. Later you write.
Ma'am, I have already written all the 4.
Oh,
Ma'am, I have already written all the 4.
who
Ma'am, I
told
have
you to
done
write
it
all the
all.
4? Huh? Okay, children. So this is the homework. Okay.
Ma'am, please wait. Let me just
Next
note.
one also. Stop talking. Shall I
Ma'am,
read
I'm
the next one
writing.
also?
No, ma'am, I'm writing.
Yes, ma'am. You can
Now
give it as
stop,
homework.
stop.
Yes, ma'am.
Stop.
The first 3.
Stop. Okay. Kirti Bookstore sold books worth 2,85,891 in the first week of June, and the books worth rupees 4,768 in the second week of the month. How much was the sale? Okay. So Kirti Bookstore stored in the first week, June. Always June and July is
Ma'am,
the
30.
month of selling the books more.
Ma'am, we
So
should
first
divide it,
week
ma'am.
of June, for rupees it is. For rupees 2,85,891
Ma'am, we
rupees
should-
the first week, and books worth rupees 4,768. This much. And our question is, how much? Question is, how much was the sale? How much was
Ma'am, we
the
should
sale
divide
for
it
the
with
2 weeks
30.
together?
30.
In which week was the sale greater and by how much? How will you do?
Ma'am, that June
Ma'am, we have to
30.
add together
30.
the total.
Add first. How much is the sale total? Together means what will you do together?
Ma'am, both.
Add.
Together means total.
Add.
Together means total.
Add.
And which week was the sale greater and by how much?
To
How many more?
find
How
how
many
much we
more?
have to subtract.
Yes.
Okay. So after that
We
you have
should
to
subtract.
subtract. And which week it is? Which week the sale was more? How much more? Okay.
Yes,
Clear?
ma'am.
Okay,
Yeah,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yeah. Now, next one. So that is also a homework for you because it is easy. I'm not spending that much time. Okay, children. So
Okay,
you
ma'am.
can do it.
Yes, ma'am. It is
Okay.
easy.
Now, next question. Fifth question. find the difference between the greatest and the least number that can be written. Do you remember this
Yes, ma'am.
question?
I got it. I got it. 7,
One
6,
second.
4.
Do you remember this
Yes.
question, children?
Yes, ma'am. I know it.
Yes,
I got it.
So we
Yes,
have
ma'am.
to make the greatest and the least
Least
number
mod-
using the digits 6, 2, 7,
I am remembering,
4,
ma'am.
3.
Ma'am,
I
Mr.
am remembering. I know it already.
Okay.
Ma'am,
So,
Mr.
7,
uh,
6, 4, 3, 2.
will you tell which is the greatest number?
Yes, ma'am. 7, 6,
Ma'am,
4, 3,
can
2.
I?
6, 4, 3.
7, 6, 4, 3, 2.
76,000.
And reverse order, we will get the
Yes,
least
ma'am.
number also.
22,000.
Okay. So
Two,
we have
three,
to subtract. So that also a homework.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
So how many homework? 1,
3 homework.
4, 3, 4, 5.
Yes,
3,
ma'am.
4,
I will
5.
do it.
Okay. Now, a machine on an average manufactures. Stop talking. Who is talking? Who is talking? Who is talking? Keep quiet. Okay. A machine on an average, let me finish this. A machine on an average manufactures 2,825 screws a day. How many screws did it produce in
Ma'am,
the month
divide
of
it with
January
31.
2006?
Divide it
See
31.
children, in this question, January 2006.
Ma'am,
January
31. 31
2006.
days. 31.
So January, how
Should
many
divide
days
it.
we have to find out?
31.
How many days are
2,825
there?
divided by 31. Ma'am, 31.
How many days
So
are there?
31
31.
divided with
31 days. Very good, very good. So 31 days into
yes, ma'am.
31 into
1,285.
2825 into 31, you will get the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. We will get
Yes,
answer
ma'am, clear.
by 20.
Okay. So 4 questions. 4 question homework. 7th question onwards we will do.
Okay,
Shall
ma'am.
we?
Yes, ma'am. We can start.
Eh?
Can you zoom?
Yeah, I'll do. Okay. So shall we do the 7th question? Will you write the 7th question?
Yes, ma'am.
7th question. Write the question. We will do together.
Is the 6th question of homework?
Which all questions are homework?
Ma'am, is the 6th
3,
question
4,
also?
5, 6.
3, 4, 5, 6.
3, 4, 5, 6. 4 homeworks.
Ma'am, can you zoom?
I already zoomed. Now it.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Enough. Is it enough?
Yes, ma'am. That's
When we
enough.
zoom it very big, we can't see it clearly. The problem solved.
Okay, now you write the 7th question. Afterwards, after writing, I'll explain. Together we'll do. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am.
Okay, actually the question is, see children, I'll explain the question. A merchant had rupees 78,592 with her. Okay, she had this much rupees, 78,592 rupees with her. She placed an order for purchasing
Yes, ma'am.
40 radio sets. 40 radio sets. Okay, 40 radio sets. One radio set cost is rupees 1,200. Okay, so how much amount will be there for after purchasing 1,200? Sorry, 40 radio sets. That we have to find. Then will this money enough? Or how much she want more? Will this money enough for purchasing that much? That is our question.
1,200.
How
What is
much
the
will be the
radio
balance?
set?
That is our question. What will you do? What will
Ma'am,
you
what
do?
is a radio set?
Radio, FM radio. Now radio is not
Oh.
there. Many of the house. FM. Now it is in mobile.
Yes, ma'am.
Radios, do you remember?
Yes, ma'am.
Radio, all time radio was very popular.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
We
so
can
40
hear
into
the
1.
music
Yes, ma'am.
we should
from the
multiply.
films. Then,
Ma'am,
yes. Okay. So
To
I'll give the
divide
steps
the
for you. I'll give the
1200
steps for you.
divided by 40.
Very
ma'am,
less
I
steps.
feel
Okay.
confusion, ma'am.
Listen. Let me explain first. Okay. How much amount? How many radio sets were there?
Ma'am, 40.
40.
So amount. Write the steps. Amount for purchasing 40 radio sets.
Ma'am, like step or like sentence?
Radio sets equal to 1200 into 40. That much rupees. Will you find the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
That much rupees.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
How much?
40,000.
1 minute.
Correct, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you tell the step again?
Ma'am, multiplication and subtraction,
no.
right?
Yes, I know it. I have
Ma'am,
already done it.
radio after the word after the radio is
Amount for purchasing 40 radio sets. Set. Equal to how much rupees it is?
48,000.
48,000.
48,000. This much rupees needed. And the question is, this much rupees are there with 78 rupees, 78,592 rupees already there. If this much, can she buy this radio sets with this money?
Yes, ma'am.
So that is our question. How much remaining balance amount that we need? Balance
That we have to
amount.
subtract, right, ma'am?
Find out. What will you do?
Subtract.
Simply subtract. 78,592 minus 48,000. Tell the answer.
Ma'am, got the answer.
30,000.
This
Yeah, 30,592.
Correct.
30,592 rupees balance.
Correct, ma'am.
Okay. So now you are writing all those steps continuously. Only this much is enough. What is necessary? Okay.
okay, ma'am.
Finish.
Ma'am, for that second step, we have to write only balance
Yes,
is equal
ma'am,
to
I got
and
correct.
subtract, right?
I have already done it.
Ma'am, for that second step, we have to write only balance and is equal to.
Only balance amount. This is enough. Okay. Next question shall I give?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
will you write the eighth question? It's very important question. Very important. Eighth
Okay.
question. I'll explain now. Eighth question.
Ma'am, can you zoom? Ma'am, it's not clear. Would you see zoom one more time?
Some more.
Ma'am, can we look at the book and write the question?
Eighth question I made around.
No, ma'am, can we look at the book and write the question?
Yeah, if it is there, you can write.
Okay, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Tell me after finishing.
Yes, ma'am. Finished.
Don't tell.
I have not finished. Ma'am, I should write the hint also.
No. You write the hint. Hint also. Hint also. I will explain that. Okay. Can I explain now?
Yes, ma'am.
Now listen. Let me read the question. Let me read the question. One second.
Ma'am, I also did not
Write fast, children. You are taking too much time for writing.
I'm finished.
Okay. So the
1 minute,
question
ma'am.
is, I'll read the question. A student multiplied 7,236 by 65 instead of multiplying by 56. Actually, he has to multiply with the 56. But by
he
mistake,
multiplied with 65.
she or he multiplied by 65 unknowingly. It was wrong. And what was the difference? There may be difference, right?
Yes,
Clear?
ma'am.
Actually, she has to multiply 7,236 by 56.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I understood that.
Yes,
Ah,
ma'am.
But
4,000
she multiplied wrongly
For-
7,236 by 65.
47,034. When I multiply it with
One second. Let me explain. Now keep the pen there and listen to me. See, children, actually after reading the question, first thing you come into your mind that we have to multiply this and subtract, you will get the answer.
Yes,
Clear?
ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
But there is an easy method because this 7,236 is common in this.
65.
So there is an easy method. First of all, this is the correct way. You might have thought that means 7,236 into 65.
The difference
Then
will come.
you will get one answer. Then 7,236 into 56, you will get another
Yes,
answer.
ma'am, I got
And
it.
when you subtract, you will get the answer. Clear?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
But
Yes, ma'am,
instead of
clear.
that, there is a very easy method. Both this multiplication after subtracting, right? So what
Yes, ma'am.
will you do is, this is very easy. The hint, can you see hint?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you
Otherwise,
need
why?
to do both the
ma'am.
multiplication? The hint is that, do you need to multiply both, do the both the multiplication? So without that, is there any way? That is our hint. Without that, without both multiplication, do we have any other method? That is our hint. So
Don't
there
know.
is one method. 1 second. First of all, you write 65. Okay, big number minus small number 56. 65. Both the difference 56. What is the answer?
9.
9. 9 is the answer. Okay. And to find the final answer, it is enough
To multiply by 9.
just multiply with 7,236 into 9 is enough. Clear,
Oh,
children?
that's
Yes,
good.
ma'am.
Into 9 is enough. 7,236 into 9. So we avoided both the multiplication, no need of that much multiplication. In this type of question, you subtract the number, find the difference. Then with that difference, you multiply this number. If you have
Can
any
you
doubt,
repeat
you
once more? I
multiply
didn't
both
understand
and find. If you have any doubt, later you at home, you
No,
use the
ma'am.
calculator or you
Excuse
use
me,
the
ma'am.
multiplication. 1 second, let me explain. Use the multiplication and do the answer, and this both the answer will be same. So
Thank you, ma'am.
7,236
Ma'am, can
into
I ask
9 is
one
enough.
thing?
65,926.
Ma'am,
Amen.
we should.
Ma'am, I didn't understand what you said because there was a network issue.
This is the answer. 56, 65 minus 56 you have to do, and that with that answer you multiply the number.
Can I ask you?
Ma'am, I got one answer, ma'am.
Now, what is your answer, children?
65,124.
I got an answer same.
Ah, what is the answer? 1 second, let everyone do.
65,124.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. That's a very easy method.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. I have done it. I will in rough note
Ma'am, so what are the steps?
up to
Only
algebra.
one step is enough. Difference. Or enough. One step is enough. I already told, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Difference between both the answers. That is enough. Difference.
Ma'am, we have any steps to write this answer?
This one. Only this much. Difference between both the answers. Both the answers. Equal to 7,236 into 9. From where you got that 9?
By
Nine
subtracting
by
65 minus 56.
minus 56. 9. Okay.
Ma'am,
Is
I got
it
the answer.
65,124?
What, ma'am?
Yes,
Is
ma'am.
it
I got correct. same.
65,124?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I got the correct answer.
So you will get some type of questions like this in your examination also, word problem. So no need of multiplying all those, no need of doing all those steps. This is enough. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Oh, I did not take the attendance. 1 second. Gautam Kayan.
Yes, ma'am.
Let me take the attendance, children. Don't talk.
Yes, ma'am. I checked it. It's correct, ma'am. I looked at the calculator.
I got it correct.
Mhm. One second, I'm taking attendance. Afterwards, I'll read the absentee's name. Tell me whether you are absent. Praveen P. Joshi.
Yes, ma'am. He's there.
Ma'am, someone entered the waiting room.
That is another class, maybe. John Sebi, right? You are changing your name?
Yes, ma'am. That is my brother's name.
Don't change the name in between. When I'm taking attendance, why are you changing? I was searching that name. Both the Angelinas are there in the class, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Angelina,
Marky.
Ma'am, one is Ja and Ja.
Angelina, Marky.
Okay, okay.
One is
Vishnu
Angelina.
Venu is there. Vishnu Venu.
Yes, ma'am. I am present.
Richard Melking.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, I'll read the names. Agne.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, Agne. Alim Zian.
No, ma'am.
Absent. Advika.
Present, ma'am.
Yes. Alok. Alok.
Ma'am, Adina.
No, ma'am. Alok is not there.
Okay, Amna Fatima.
No, it's not there.
Amna Fatima.
No, ma'am.
Please take. Please take, all of you.
Yes,
Amna
ma'am.
Fatima.
No, ma'am.
She's
No,
not there, ma'am.
Absent, absent. Anandan Raj.
ma'am. No, absent. Right.
Absent, one second. One
Anandan is
second.
absent.
Anha Fatima.
Ma'am, absent.
Anha Fatima is absent. Bhuvana Lakshmi.
Absent. Right.
Lot of absent is today.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
Blesswin.
All are not attending. Blushwin, let me check my. No, they're not. Absent only.
Bright. Catherine.
Absent.
Oh. Chinmay.
Chinmay is absent.
Present, ma'am.
DIMD.
Present.
Dia.
Present.
DIMD is present. One second. Now, Razil Benhar.
In
No,
absent.
ma'am.
Absent. Rohit.
Present, ma'am. No, it is present.
Cheryl Mary Shibin. Present.
No,
Krishna?
ma'am. Yes,
Cheryl
ma'am.
is-
She is present. Cheryl is present.
Gayatri is present.
Yes, ma'am.
Vinayak Rajivan.
Ma'am, absent.
Absent. Vinayak Rajivan
Present,
is
ma'am.
continuously absent in
Absent.
the class. Okay. Others are present. Now I read some names now.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Where did you mark the?
Yes, others all marked. By the doubt, I am calling their names. Okay. Okay, children. So do the homework tomorrow. I'll check your notes.
Okay.
And tomorrow is a holiday.
No, who told that? No.
And that's
How it will become a
No,
holiday?
ma'am. One day it was holiday.
One Saturday only it was a holiday because it was triple lockdown. Tomorrow it will be working day. Okay, children. Bye. Do the homework.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Ma'am, for one class.